UMLA kaseng BJP na South Shillong constituency iba Shanbor Shullai ila Tyrwa yaki Jingpynkylla haka Meghalaya minor minerals concession rules arpo kanrio haka bayade bat ka Jingkang badang shen kabalakta yaki kam kijam jong kinongti kibarit haka 0 notice iba Shullai ila batai Shapang ka Jingkongsan jong ki small scale mining na kabenta ka kamay kaji jong kinong shong shunong Bat ka Jingk syakta jong kitrai kali kit Jingkit na ka Jingkiyo ka dor permit. Ila kentu ya ka sorka jela bakan penkela ya ki kendon an kanang ban ai lat ya ki small scale mining ki bala penyat kat kum ka mining lease lani ki quarry permit.
I would like to suggest the government to amend the Meghalaya mineral concession rules 2016 with a request to amend the rules for grant of permission for small-scale mining under mining lease or quarry permit. 2. Such exemption can be given to small-scale areas and government can fix areas of small-scale mining. 3. Exemption for use of heavy machinery for small-scale mining. 4. Permission for such mining can